Hi Hari, today we are going to draw the flag of Slovenia. So let's draw the outlines first. It's the rectangular shape, three segments, and we're going to draw the symbol here. It has a red outline. You can see. All right, and blue segments here for the mountains and the hills. Okay, you can see the blue on the top, which is present in the symbol, and the outlines you can see here. It has a blue color and the red color. Let's draw the red color at the bottom. Okay, so this is the red color. Now we're going to put the dark blue color in the middle. Okay, filling up the spaces. All right, so after completions of the drawings, you can see the flag is done. The top portion remains white. Okay, so this is the flag of Slovenia. You have seen all the procedures and the colorings. It's the almost the same presentations and the graphical presentations of the flags. Not 100% accurate the symbol, but it's the closest presentations of the actual flag. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.